So guys, a few interesting things today. Hang on a second. Yeah, just leave it there. I'll grab it. Hang on just a second. I don't need to sign for it? Cool. What is this? Just go ahead and open this up. Well, see, I just got a package. We'll just go ahead and open it up. Oh, hang on a second. I'm getting a text. Hey, Mike. M-A-I-K-E. Mike. Check your package. I went and gone and done something. What's in here? PDM just texted me. Oh my goodness. I quit for the day. I'm done. Guys, I think he gone and done did it. I don't know when those are going to be available. That's just a sample that was sent to me by Justin over at Ember Shirt Co. But I thought you guys would see the fun of it because a lot of you have asked about PDM shirts, possibly Shopcat shirts. I don't know yet. So, but that's not what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about this thoughtful gift that was sent to me by Beardo the Weirdo. I really don't want to talk about it anymore. Let's listen to some music. Behind me is Metal Complex. I do like his channel. He's a good dude. He helped me out figure out some of the affiliate link stuff and pointed me in the right direction for that. So go check out his channel. Subscribe for daily content. Do I have to do this? Alright guys, this is an M-Tech. I don't even know if there's a model number. This is the MT064GY. That was sent to me by Beardo the Weirdo. It showed up. He wanted me to do an unboxing. Unfortunately, these things come shipped from wherever he got this. It did not have any markings that it was from like Knife Center or any of those places. It came shipped and said it was from some Ken's Returns or something like that, which kind of makes sense. I probably had a return authorization already on it for something like this. So, all right, guys. Let's look at this thing from above. Alright guys, PDM already texted me and told me that he wants me to set this knife aside for him. So, giveaway's out of the question. He wants it. It's apparently going to be his collection. He says it matches a pair of sandals that he has. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Guys, this was a gift from Beardo the Weirdo. He sent it to me. I don't know whether to thank him or block him from the channel. I'm not 100% sure which direction I want to go with that. So, this is an M-Tech. Came with no packaging material. It simply says on it... ask your local knife retailers for other fine Microtech knives. Now, I'm reading it at a weird angle, so if it sounds like this knife has an extremely sharp edge, use caution when opening this package. Mishandling or incorrect use can result in a serious injury. I'm not gonna call bullshit on that. Oh, I'm sorry, I cursed in a video. This is an M-Tech. About all you got. Doesn't have a name. This is an MT1064 stainless steel, and it's a USA design made in China. Jared said something about the USA design thing here recently in a video, and I have to agree with everything he said. Guys, this is not a good knife, but it was a gift. So what do we do with gifts? We appreciate the thought, even if there wasn't much that went into it. This is a button lock. You cannot deploy it with the thumb studs because they put the thumb studs so close that I can't even get my thumbnail in there. So you're left with that. It is at least a tip up carry. If you would ever decide you wanted to take the pocket clip off of this, you have no other options because it's just simply a tip up carry. It has been beautifully spray painted black and silver, as you can see the little bit of overspray there. The button is well, the button has got some resistance. I do have to say, now I'm not, this is not sarcasm, the bearing action on this is actually pretty smooth. And they were really proud, as if they had come up with a new system. Oops, sorry. Ball bearing pivot system. So they're really proud of the fact that they have a ball bearing pivot system, even though I think every knife on the planet, with the select few that just choose not to, already have these. The blade is ground. Well, the blade is ground. Let's just not get into it too much. We won't go too much further on that. We'll just say the blade has been ground. It's not incredibly sharp, and it definitely has got a bias from one side to the other. And the centering is, well, as you can see, the bearings on this one are sitting extremely high, and the bearings on this one are set down in a recess. So I don't know if that's an offset bearing system, but you can definitely see that the bearings have been pocketed unevenly. Nice breather hole there. That's for speed. That allows this knife to cuts down on wind resistance for this knife there. That gap back there at the back, which they could have easily not had this on there. Yeah, guys, I'm running out of things to tell you about this knife, except Beardo, there's your video. All joking aside, I do appreciate the thought. It's funny. It was a goofy gift. It was done as a gag. The action on it, honestly, to tell you the truth, the action on it is not horrible for as mushy as the button is. I was really surprised. I felt how mushy that button lock is, and I'm like, oh, that's going to be hard to flip. And I was expecting it to, and it does flip. It at least does flip. It's not uncomfortable. It's not a good knife. I was trying to find something. I was trying something to redeem it with, but it's just not a good knife. I'm going to keep it here just because I would feel bad giving it to anyone. So, yeah, it's going to have to stay here. It's going to be like that Annabelle doll. Like, if I gifted it to someone, I would feel guilty because I have cursed them. So, all right, guys. Oh, my. This is like that PDM shirt. Let's go ahead and turn this around, do some final thoughts. I'm going to say I put it back in the box because I didn't want to look at it anymore. I can honestly say, at least now when crappy knives come up, I have a metric to judge them by. I'm like, well, at least they're not this bad. Thanks, Beardo? I'm not sure. So, I mean, there's not much else to say about it. It's possibly the worst knife I've handled in a very long time. And I've handled some pretty poor knives. So, guys, that's it for this one. It was just kind of fun. I wanted to kind of just show you guys what came in. And like I said, now I have something I can judge crappy knives by that might make them look a little bit more presentable in the big scope of things. So, guys, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down. Please try to tell me why. I can't change content if you don't tell me what's wrong with it. I have multiple ways that you guys can support the channel. Sometimes it's just as simple as liking the videos and sharing them with people you think would enjoy them as well. If you do want to support the channel financially, there's a lot of ways to do it. I do have membership tabs down below where you can get in on exclusive content, exclusive giveaways for the premium and baseline tier members. If you want to, you can use my affiliate links that I have where I've duplicated a lot of the tools that I use on knives, where you can go in, and if you just don't like any of the stuff I've got linked, you can always just use that link as a portal into YouTube and, Amazon, and I get credit for that. There's also the merch store, Ember Shirt Co., who made that shirt, and a lot of the other shirts that you see me wear. If you go to the Ember Shirt Co. storefront or my storefront and use the code CrazySharp, all one word, capital C, capital S, CrazySharp, all one word, you save 10% at checkout. They have all kinds of designs from all kinds of different YouTube personalities in the knife community where you can go and you can get that. But I mean, that's basically it, guys. That's all I got for this one. I love you all. Keep it clean in the comment section. It makes it easier to moderate. If it's your birthday, happy birthday, and I will see you in the next video.